So let's find out, is it possible to get an Aadhar card as an international student in India? What exactly is the Aadhar card? What are the benefits of having an Aadhar card? And how can you apply for your Aadhar card as an international student in India? Those are the questions that this video is going to answer. Hi guys, my name is Pascal. I'm Nigerian and I've been in India for over 3 years, and I'm going to be speaking with you guys on the subject of Aadhar card from my personal experience, so stay tuned. We're going to start with what is the Aadhar card. Okay, so just in case you do not know, the Aadhar card is a means of identification for the Indians, right? Or let's say for people residents in India. It's basically a particular ID card that shows your name, your details, something like that. It's an official government ID. And talking about the benefits, it allows you to rent a car, rent a bike. It also allows you to be able to purchase a car, purchase a bike, purchase an apartment. You're able to rent an apartment with that Aadhar card. You're also able to get a job, because usually when you're trying to apply to jobs, you need the Aadhar card as well. So this is why you need the Aadhar card in India. I mean, when you're trying to get, like, let's say a vehicle in India, they'll ask you for your Aadhar card. If you don't have your Aadhar card, sometimes they might not even give you the car you want. For real. That's how you go get your Aadhar card. It's quite rare for them to allow you to purchase something that, you know, big without your Aadhar card. So it's quite important for everyone to have the Aadhar card. The second question would be, how can I, as an international student, get an Aadhar card in India? Is it even possible for me, as a foreigner, to apply for the Aadhar card? The answer to that question is yes, it's possible, and no, it's impossible. So actually, there are two ways to answer this question. So first, I'll talk about no, it's not possible. From my experience, right, I've tried to apply for the Aadhar card myself several times, and I've gotten rejected. So the first time I tried to apply, and I applied online. After that, I took a particular form to the Aadhar card office in my city. I went there, they took my biometrics, my face, my fingerprints, all of that. And after that, after some months, they told me that I'm not eligible to get the Aadhar card. That's the meaning of what they said. In reality, they asked me to get my rent agreement of my apartment. That's what they said. Okay, I'm like, okay, cool. I disturbed my landlord because initially, you know, he didn't want to give it to me, so I had to, like, you know, remind him several times to get me the rent agreement. So he got me that, and then I went back again to register. The same process, I did it all over again. Fingerprint, whatever, biometrics, all of that, filled the form, all of that. I waited a few days as well, a few months, and they go back to me again with a particular text I do not even remember right now. But basically, what they were trying to say is that it's difficult to get an Aadhar card as an international. So I tried twice and I gave up. I tried twice and I gave up. And it was really annoying because I did all they asked me to do. Everything, the document they needed, I gave it to them. So why don't you guys want to give me the Aadhar card? Okay, if it's impossible for me to get the Aadhar card as a foreigner, can you just tell me straight up, Pascal, it's not possible. Don't even bother trying. But they did not tell me. They made me spend the time, energy, fuel, everything, go to the office, all of that several times, and they ended up not giving me the Aadhar card. So that's my experience. Yours might be different, okay? And the other way to get the Aadhar card is indirectly. Okay, so I applied directly to the office physically by myself. So I have some people, some friends that say they can help you get the Aadhar card. You pay a certain amount to them. You know, usually the Aadhar card is free. It's free of charge. You don't need to pay a penny. Maximum 200 rupees, 20 rupees, whatever. But the Aadhar card is completely free of charge. But there are people that claim they can help you get the Aadhar card. You pay them 10,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. I do not know if it's true. I've not tried them before. But you can try them if you want. And let us know if it's actually possible that way. That's what I heard. I don't know how true, personally. I can't vouch for them. I've not used them. I've not patronized them. So I do not know if it's true or not, but you can reach out to them. If it works for you, comment down in the comment section so that we also know it's true. That's my experience actually as an international student trying to get the Aadhar card. Yours might be different, and yours might be the same. Who knows? I actually have some friends. I mean, what gave me the confidence to apply for the Aadhar card in the first place is I have some friends in India There are foreigners as well from Nigeria, from Uganda, from several other countries that actually have the Aadhar card with them. So that's why I believe I can have the Aadhar card myself. So I decided to apply, and I applied, I got rejected. It's crazy. I mean, I forgot to add, one of the reasons why Aadhar card is also important is there are some funds that you're going to get to your account that you'll be taxed about 40%. But if you have the Aadhar card, you will not be taxed on those funds. I mean, you will not really understand what I'm saying if you're not doing business, but there's some amount I'm trying to receive to my account and they'll tell me, Pascal, are you ready for the 40% VAT? I'm like, wait. I'm gonna just give them my friend's account number. So yeah, as I turn 25, this is my experience, just quite different. So you can try, let us know how it goes in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For those of you that have any questions, whatever, put them in the comment section on my Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever. Just send me a message and I'll reply to you. For sure, I will reply to you. Every one of you, I'll reply to all of you. If you have any question on this video or everything about India, put them in the comment section, and I will try to make a video about that in my next video. Like for sure if you found this video helpful, like the video, and then subscribe as well. Yeah, if you need help applying to any school in India, any school, whatever, free flight tickets, free airport pickup, free tuition, scholarship, whatever, send me a DM on Instagram or WhatsApp and I'm going to help you completely free of charge. See you in the next video.